right, all right. Well, here I go again, Rick Reed here, and just want to present to you the I Keep It All postcard. Got started in this, and I'm comparing this to the All Your Money postcard and the Mega Monster postcard that I have. This particular postcard, you get $1,000 and 12 books of stamps. Okay, $1,000 and 12 books of stamps. But you're going to send an admin fee of $299 and 6 books of the stamps of the 12 books that you're going to send is going to go to the admin. Okay, so basically $1,300 will get you started and going. Unless you go and want a rush shipment of everything, then it's another $50 added to that. But this is a beautiful postcard. I had a chance to look at it, and I really like it. So I got started with someone. Actually, people reached out to me, and we were comparing what I was doing with the Mega Monster and All Your Money. And so we're just working these together. Okay, now just imagine $1,000 every 20 views when people go to their website. Okay, your name is the only name that's going to be in this box. Your name will be the only name in this box. But look at this, people. Okay, look at this. Let's say you mailed 100 of these postcards and three people ordered. That's $3,000 in your mailbox, along with the stamps. Okay, along with the stamps. Now, let's look at step number 2. Okay, now you're going to take those free stamps, okay, to mail to 500 more postcards, okay, and 15 people get started. You're looking at $1,500. $1,500, people. Let's say you mailed out 1,000 and just 30 people got started. That's $30,000. Can you imagine doing that day, that month, or that week, or even in a year? Let's look at this. You mail out 5,000 postcards. Okay, let's say 150 people get started from that. That's $150, people, that day, that month, that week, that year. That's not bad. That's not bad. Okay, you can call me 832-338-5622. That's 832-338-5622. Okay, and not only that, but when you get started with me, what I'm going to give you is a certificate for $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. That means you select the coupons you want for items that you know that you use, people. That means that you're saving money. Okay, you're getting cash back. My story is I went to Walmart, went grocery shopping. Bill came up to over $190. But because I had so many coupons for items I know that I use, I paid a little less than $90 for my groceries, okay? So I saved over $100 and something, and I went and got me a pedicure, manicure that same day. Also was able to go get me something to eat. So that's what I'll be giving to you. Also, I'll be giving you a certificate for $1,000 for fast food restaurants like Wendy's, IHOP's, Denny, Ponderosa Steakhouse, Dairy Queen, Popeye's Chicken, Red Lobsters, Olive Gardens. So these are fast food restaurants and restaurants. Again, you're selecting the coupons you want. Okay, many of you have kids. This is going to help because you see how groceries is going up. So I want to present something to you that's really going to be beneficial to you when you join my team. Not only that, but what else I'm going to give you is free access to me. Okay, I love to be your mentor. I need you to be teachable and coachable. With that is I'm going to give you 300 forever stamps. 300 stamps to send that to. So when you join the I Keep It All, okay, with me. When you join the I Keep It All with me, I'm going to send you the $1,000 in grocery coupon certificate, $1,000 in fast food restaurant coupon certificate, okay, 300 stamps for you to send out 300 more of your postcards. Okay, not only that, but I created a wonderful sales letter to go along with this. Okay, so just take a look again. Let me show you what the potential is. Again, 3 people. Okay, 3 people getting started with you. They're sending you $1,000. Okay, that's 3,000. Okay, 15 people sending you $1,000. That's 15,000. This can happen, people. What are you waiting for? It's time for you to participate in your own rescue. Okay, now $1,300 may be a short-term discomfort for you, but the long-term benefits is 3,000, 15,000, 30,000, 150,000 or more in your mailbox along with stamps. That's more stamps for you to send out. Okay, that's more stamps for you to send out to get people to get it started with you. Not only that, but you could call me at any time. I could do a 3-way with you. I'll help you close sales if needed. We're going to make this work because together we stand and divided we fall. Okay, it's Rick Reed here with the IKeepItAll.com. Okay, this is my information right up here. All you simply do, you should be able to go to cashcowprogram.com, www.cashcowprogram.com, and you may see this postcard on there. I should be loading it up sometime this week. If not, just simply write down my number, 832. Here it is right here, 832-338-5622. I look forward to hearing from you. Remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your actions determine what you get. Let's get started. Look forward to working with you. God bless. Have a great day.